Hi and welcome to another training session with RIP Group. In today's video we're going to cover our switched RPDU series of power rails. So in previous ones we've already covered the device settings and user management, and now we're going to just cover now the network settings. So again, once you log into the screen you're faced with the home page, which is what you see here. So again, we're going to go into network and just cover all the basics through here. So again, as a default, what you see here is what is actually loaded, that we load. So if you do want to change, just depending on your protocol with your network, the DHCP, you can do so very easy. And also again, IP address, your subnet, your gateway, and if you use DNS, you have two DNS server addresses that you can actually do. So that sort of just covers your network, very basic, simple. If you did choose the optional Wi-Fi plugin, this does save a lot on great requisitioning IP addresses and save cost savings with your switches and structured cabling. So if you didn't, that's fine, but if it comes as disabled as a default, but if you did purchase the Wi-Fi dongle, you can go right ahead here and click enable. Add your SSID and password, and also now you're instead of actually in your network setting here, just over here on the screen, which is your local area network, you're now changing your Wi-Fi settings, and again exactly the same. You can click search network as well. We don't actually have one set up, so you can see actually that happening. So that sort of covers your Wi-Fi stuff. Again, depending on your company's protocol, you have an option to do port allocation, work mode allocation as well. So we do get to, as a default, it's normal mode is port 80 and SSL is 443 with a normal mode, but you can choose SSL mode. So again, once you have those, you can just click save button and move on. Again, if you use FTP, again you're putting in your FTP account, your password and your port. It's enabled, it's up to you. Now again, just self-explanatory, we do have a Modbus scenario here, which there is a serial port on the actual power rail locally, which comes with a cable as well. So if you do have some type of, if you do like to use a Modbus sort of scenario, feel free to set these up as well. Of course, we are doing SNMP. So up here is we actually support SNMPs version 1, version 2, and version 3. So again, most people use version 1 and 2, so that's what we've actually done. Again, you can change these settings to however your protocol and your network actually handles, and also if you do SNMP version 3, again, all you're doing is changing these details and hitting save. So yeah, SNMP version 1, 2 and 3 we do handle in this high series, RPDU series. Again, just running through some very self-explanatory things. Telnet is enabled as a default, which is in through port 23. Again, you can disable this if it's a security thing that you don't want people to do. But yeah, a lot of people like that old sort of, sort of black and white screen from yesteryear. Again, just going through it, SMTP, you have a full option here of exactly how you want to actually do. Just again, set out your details, hit save, and then we can also do an SMTP test. So again, it's a flexibility system for what you want and what you don't want to achieve. So here we can just change to any time zone, just depending where you are in the world. So you see there's many different options right here. So yeah, if there is something that we have loaded everything, but if there's something that you do not see, please do give RIP Group a call or an email, and we'll be able to sort of add that to you. So just there, you can hit save, synchronization, and again, just in case your system does have a very specific NTP server, you can point it to there. So very self-explanatory. We do support Radius, so if that's something that, a protocol that your company does require, again, very easy sort of stuff. You can actually click this on. Again, just very self-explanatory. If you can't connect to Radius server, use the basic settings. And again, the authentication port and account port, again, you can completely do what you want. So once you do that, you can hit save. And again, what a lot of people like to do is assist logs. Anything that happens on this computer, point it to your server address that actually does sysloging. So yeah, very, very easy stuff that's on the same network. So look, that sort of concludes our network tab here. In the upcoming videos, we're going to, cover data graphing, logs, and system. So look, thank you for watching. And any questions, please do not hesitate to call over IP group or even email us as well. Thanks for watching.